Hi, this is Fabrice. Happy to see you on this training on PowerShell. That's so cool. So PowerShell is rock and roll, like my life, you know. I love training. I love traveling everywhere in the world with my wife, my kids, and everywhere. You know what? I'm saying, how can I learn? How can I give all what I know to everybody? And how can you give me all what you know? Because, you know, training is exchange knowledge. So for me today, I want to give you 3 hours of my time, 3 hours of my lovely time, and I love, training. I love train. And this is your first, small training on PowerShell. That's so cool. I'm going to maybe do 12 training on PowerShell. This is the first training. It's going to be PowerShell for everything. So let's start with my timeline. Ooh, what is PowerShell? I want to see what is PowerShell and how to make your life easier. You are an IT. You want to manage a server. You want to be cool, fun. You want to do things intelligently. You don't want to repeat everything every day. So use PowerShell. In second module, we'll see the command syntax, how to use PowerShell. It's so simple. You get something, you set something, you remove something. You're going to see it's so funny and so powerful. On module 3, we will see pipeline. What is a pipeline? Wow, this is amazing how you take one command and you pipe the result to another one. In module 4, we're going to see PS provider. What is a PS drive? How to go inside. In module 5, we're going to see WMI and SIM, a way to do reporting, to retrieve information about computers in your company. In module 6, we're going to see remoting, how to remote connect to other computer in your company. Module 7, we'll see variables. Yeah, that's cool. Starting to do automation. Wow. Okay, keep cool. Automation is simple. So module 8 will be automation. Module 9 will be managing services. Managing your server in your company. How powerful is it and simple? Module 10 will be manage Active Directory. AD. Module 12 will be just enough administration. It's very nice where you want to put secure. Saying that some people can do all what you say he can do, not more. Module 12 will be DSC. And module 13 will be your turn. And of course, tips in module 14. Okay, so PowerShell, that's so cool. What is PowerShell? All your question. Give me your question, I will answer it. Answer your question. So lab preparation, follow me. Type like me. Cool. What do you need for this lab? You can have a laptop, you can have a desktop, you can do it on Azure, you can do it on Amazon, you can just have also your dedicated server on OVH. For me, I'm using Hyper-V. I have 4 VM, 1 DC, and 2 server 2016, build 1709 or 1607. 1709, what's new? No more GUI, bye-bye, only PowerShell or RSAT. And you just need to Windows 10 1709. Okay, so your question send into fluctuationit@gmail.com. Okay, so let's start our first module. What is PowerShell? Bye-bye, folks.